Okay, here is problem number 16 from section 9D. All right, what you're given is that the failure rate is 0.1 and you're opening a case of 15, and they want to know for part A, what is the probability that all will pass? So that would be 15 choose 15, and notice that 15 choose 15 is just a different notation for this 15 C15. It means the same thing. And then if a failure rate is 0.1, then our success rate is 0.9, and we want all 15 to pass. And then 0.1 to the 0, you don't even really have to write that, but I just want to show where all the parts go. 15 choose 15 is just 1. You can use your calculator for that, or you can just think about Pascal's triangle. And then times 0.9 to the 15th to 3 sig figs is 0.206. All right, if 1 fails, that means that 14 passed. So we want 15 choose 14, and we want 0.9 to the 14th and 0.1 to the 1st. And then 15 choose 14 is 15. Again, you can calculate that, or you can think your way through that. If you have 15 items and you want to choose 14 of them, it's kind of like not choosing one. And there's 15 ways to not choose one, or you can just use a calculator. Anyway, and then you'd multiply it out, and the 3 sig figs, you get 0.343. To get at least 13 to pass, that means 13 or more. Our first method, method 1, would be adding up. If you had 13 pass, if you had 14 pass, and if you had all 15 pass, by the way, that's the answer to part A. You can just add, you can just calculate those and add them all up. Or method 2 would be to do 1 minus the sum from 0 to 12. So that's what Binom CDF does in the calculator. By the way, this is not really work. This is just the buttons you press in your calculator. This isn't the work you'd show in the paper. That is the work you'd show on the paper. But in order to make it faster for you, you don't have to calculate that all out. You can use your calculator in this way. Okay, so you go 1 minus and then go to the second vars, which gives you the distribution menu. Scroll down to Binom CDF. You have 15 items in the case. Success of passing is 0.9. We want 12, and this is 12 or less because it's cumulative. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to 12. And we're taking that away from 1, leaving us with 13, 14, and 15. And that's our answer to 3 sig figs.